Hello everybody, my name is Shay. I am a full-time reseller and we have kind of a not planned thrift haul for you guys. I normally don't take my kids thrifting with me, and this particular time when I went to the thrift store, both of my kids were with me. They were being absolute snots. So I just really had to quick grab some stuff and leave promptly. So I understand why I don't take my kids thrifting anymore. Sometimes my older one is really good, but he really likes to pick on his sister. So, yeah, if you were a parent in that store, you were probably like, lady, control your kids. Unless you had kids, then you realize that you cannot control your kids. But anyway, grabbed some random things. See, here's the thing. This particular thrift store used to be the most expensive thrift store, but now that Goodwill has raised their prices like horribly, this actually is not that expensive of a thrift store anymore. In fact, I feel like their prices have gone down from what I've seen them in the past. So let's get started. I spent $97 on this trip, and I mean, like, I spent $96 because I spent $1 on my other child. The one that was causing trouble had to put his stuff back. So anyway, let's get started. This needs some washing, but this is a Herschel little shoulder bag, and a lot of times name brand stuff is priced really high here, but this was $3.99. Now, she's not perfect. She does have some spots on the back, but I should be able to machine wash this with some OxyClean, and that should come out. This would be a perfect little, even a perfect little mom bag for somebody that would like to just has older kids and wants to put some books and some diapers in here. Not even diapers, I don't know. It's just really cute. And I don't know what I'm able to sell this for. I was not able to comp anything out because they were being chaotic. But anyway, I really like the style, so if it ends up not being good, I might just keep it. And that's honestly my my downfall, is that I keep things that don't have good comps, and I really need to stop because my house is out of control with clutter. And if you have kids, you understand that like my kids bring in like feathers and rocks for their collections, and they leave them all over my house. So yesterday, Monday's normally my cleanup day, where I just kind of like deep clean the house, start the new week with a clean house, and I just could not deal with the clutter yesterday. I wanted to throw everything away, but that's another story for another day. It's adorable. Look how cute these are. They're little True Religions. They're in a size 2T. Again, I'm not sure what comps are on these, maybe $20, and they were $2.50. And this is what I'm saying, like something like this would have been priced at like $8, $9, $10 before, but it was $2.50. Whereas Goodwill now, if I would have seen these at the Goodwill store, they would have been like around $7 probably. These were priced up, but it is the right season and they are in great shape. These are North Face men's size extra large snow pants, and they're in great shape. These were $12.29, so I am willing to pay up for things like this. These should sell for around $50. I paid $5.49 for these Under Armour size 40, kind of like dry fit hybrid style shorts. They're nice and stretchy. I wish these were my husband's size because I really want to get him styling. I want him to dress like I want him to dress, but really he's just exactly like my son. They are how they are. They're not stylish. They just want comfort, and that's fine too. I know who I married, so that was from one of my friends that gave me some free clothes. So must have fallen in the bag. This I just felt like was substantial, and so I grabbed it. It's $5.49. The brand is 10 Harbor. And it's like a fishing vest. And I find things like this sell super well. I just got a whole bunch of hunting gear. It is selling like hotcakes, which is amazing. So hopefully this fishing vest does well. This adorable, look how cute this is, little vintage baby outfit. I do super well with vintage baby dresses, so I'm hoping this one does well too. And it's a 6 to 9 month size. It was also $2.50, and it does come with the little matching booties too. So Perfect for this season, perfect for Christmas photos. These because they look basically brand new. They were priced at $11, but they are a Miss Me size 14 pair of jeans, and yeah, they don't even look like they've really been worn at all. They're nice and crisp still, so I'm hoping to get $30 for these. Kind of a stretch at $11, I know, but they look basically brand new, and I figured I might be able to sell these locally because these buckle brands do really well in my area. Like, died when I saw this. This is a size 2T. Look how cute this is, a little preppy baby. It looks like it came with a belt, but the belt is gone. So I'm just gonna snip these little belt loops off. It'll be just fine, but oh my gosh, look how cute. I love it when little babies dress like this, but mine were never like this. They're just not proper babies, but oh my goodness, it's so cute. Anyway, I think I should be able to list this for $25 and it should sell. This was $2.50 as well. Kind of impulsy buys, but as we were waiting in line and I was like, you know, kind of yelling at my children, I was looking at this stuff. So not yelling, you guys get it, like behave. Okay, so there are these Athleta little shorts with the leggings underneath them. Sometimes these do well for me. They were $7.29, but like I said, I was under pressure during this point. So yeah, Athleta size large. They're not my style, but they're somebody's style. So these set of 3. I mean, they don't come in a set, but they're the little Hallmark dancing plush in the Halloween version. So we got Frankenstein, we got the little ghost with the Halloween bucket, and we also have this adorable little ghost as well. So in order for these to sell faster, I might lot them all up together for like 50 bucks. These are selling like $20 a piece plus shipping. So I don't know, should I list them separately? Should I list them all together? I don't know. But they were all $3.29. And I encountered some amazing vintage stuff, so buckle up. This dress is a stunner. I am absolutely obsessed with the collar. Look how beautiful that is. Look how beautiful this print is. I'm actually really surprised at the price of this because normally this thrift store separates out the vintage and they price it up, but the brand's nothing to write home about. It is Leslie Faye, which this vintage is more style based anyway, and I think this style is going to do really well. It is a vintage size 12, and they did have this priced at $8.29, which is like, I mean, it's right on par with Goodwill pricing, but anyway, obsessed with this dress. Somebody would look so cute with a photo shoot in this dress. I could not leave this behind either. It is a vintage Gilligan O'Malley, so I think like Target or Walmart, but like, look how beautiful that is with the ruffles and like these sleeves. Like I'm finding dresses nowadays that look like this that are really in style right now. So I'm hoping just the style alone will sell this for me. This was only $7.49, so again, if I would have found this at Goodwill, it would have been much cheaper as this is a like muumuu lingerie type piece. Not lingerie, a sleep dress. But I paid it. I was under pressure and that is fine. The last item I have to show you guys is this really cool, I really could not leave this behind either because I can't leave stuff like this behind, but now that I look at it, dry clean only. I don't know. This makes me think it's a handmade piece, but it does have a little tiny. This has a little tiny tag in it, and it says size 15, 16, and dry clean only, but it looks handmade. I have no idea. But anyway, this is the style of the dress. It has these beautiful puffy sleeves, a crisscrossy front. It's got bows on the sides, like this like crinkly material. It is a all the way down long dress. Somebody's gonna want this for photos or something, I don't know, but it's beautiful. It was $7.29, which I was thoroughly surprised because normally dresses like these with the really puffy sleeves, they tend to price up, but don't know if you can get the full effect of this dress, but I thought it was beautiful, and maybe I can price this at a really high price and somebody will buy it. I don't know. I'm not well versed in vintage. I just love vintage, but I'm horrible at selling it most of the time. So anyway, overpriced thrift store trip. I spent $97 on all of this stuff. I don't know how much that is per item, but it's kind of a lot. But hopefully you guys respect that I did not have time or energy to comp these items before I bought them. So anyway, if you like me, if you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!